your independence. In Indonesia, I hear a lot of the word merdeka. It is your identity. It is your culture and it is your language. That's why I'm very happy that today we hear not only the anthem of Indonesia, but also the anthem of Aceh. And today I'm wearing the national clothes of Aceh in order to show this respect to this nation, to this new generation who should save and convey this budaya after 15 years, after 20 years to the next generation.
Di sana tempat lahir beta, dibuai dibesarkan bunda, tempat berlindung di hari tua, sampai akhir menutup mata. Sungguh